In this episode of the Hardcore Camping Gear channel, we are taking a first look at the Stanley Base Camp Cookset. Now I was inspired to kind of buy this thing because, well, basically anytime Amazon flashes something in front of me that says Base Camp, you know I gotta bust out my wallet. But the other reason that I bought this, besides like the 1600 good reviews, 5-star reviews, was that I had previously bought this. And this is like the smaller Stanley Cookset that both backpackers and bushcrafters alike absolutely love this thing. Whoops. Comes with the top. You've probably seen these if you're at all into like I said, backpacking or bushcrafting. Comes with these two little cups inside. And guys love these. They love to modify them. And there's all kinds of videos on how to do that online. With the popularity of this, my problem with this is not necessarily with this itself, just the philosophy of use. In regard to the fact that I'm not really a bushcrafter or a backpacker at this point in my life, but I do like to get out and camp and set up a base camp. And on that note, I thought it would be cool to have something that's kind of like an all-in-one cook set that can easily be put into a tote. And so let's go ahead and open this up and kind of do a first look. So, and this is basically it. Let me get some of this out of the way. And I'll see if I can adjust this a little bit down so y'all can see it better. I have no idea how this works, and if you think I'm the kind of guy to read the instructions, you are sadly mistaken. I think this would come off like this. There we go. So that comes off here. Inside, looks like we've got a pan. And I believe the way these work is that you squeeze them. Let's see, that came out there. I'm trying to put that back in. Oh, immediate product failure. Or maybe user failure. There we go. So those just go into there, and then these can come up like that. Also inside, we've got, I have no idea what these are. I'm guessing some kind of pot holder. Adjust that back up here. We got pot holders. And these, I guess these go in. This is a plastic spoon. I guess that goes in like that, I'm guessing. That's kind of cool. Then you can press that and, in theory, take it out. Not exactly the easiest thing in the world to do. There we go. And same deal with a spatula. A little manual, would be good to read that. And then it looks like we've got four bowls. 4 mini plates. These are like, you know, they're not full-size plates, which would have been kind of cool. This is like the kind of plate, like a salad plate or something. Good enough for camping, I suppose. And at the bottom here, let's see, what do we have here? Whoop. Even more utensils. We've got, looks like 4 sporks. It's kind of nice, and I guess this is like maybe a pot holder, I'm guessing. So, or maybe just a container to hold your utensils. And then the pot itself. So, kind of a nice piece of kit. I'm gonna do another review after I've had a chance to get out and use this stuff. Obviously we just pulled it out of the box, but the fact that it does all kind of nest together is kind of cool. You know, it kind of reminds me of one of those Russian nesting dolls that, you know, you have like 5 or 6 or 7 different pieces that all fit together. So that's kind of it. And you know, I'm gonna get out and use this thing, and then we'll do another video at some point in the future to give you my thoughts as to how well, you know, all this holds up and how it all works. But on first look, really well made. You know, this is pretty heavy, and I really doubt that any of this stuff, I mean, unless you happen to get this close to the fire, aside from that, it all should hold up pretty well. Hey, I'm Adam Katz for the Hardcore Camping Gear channel, the channel where we explore and review the camping gear that you need to be self-contained, self-reliant, and most of all comfortable camping in the outdoors without having to spend tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars on an expensive RV or travel trailer. If you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, like, share, comment, and you know, do all of that kind of stuff. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. If you've used this, I'd appreciate your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know how it worked for you. Take care.